Right.
So you can reverse engineer how to get there. Now, because do you even know how much real estate assets you need to own to make 500,000 a month?
Oof, I would say it's gotta be at least more than like 100 properties.
Way more than that. Let's look at this. Okay. In today's real estate climate, what do you think the average net income you'll get for each door?
I would say anywhere from like 200 or 1,000 maybe a month.
That's a wide gap. The average net income per door in today's real estate climate is probably about $100 to $250. Okay.
Based on the interest rate, right?
Based on the rates, the cost of real estate. Now, I do personally think that in 2024, the real estate market is going to be a fire sale.
Yeah.
So it's not necessarily about what you can do today, it's about what you're planning for coming up.